In today's Watch Depot video, we are unboxing a really cool G-Shock in the GM110BB-1A DR. I'm super excited to get my hands on this piece because as you can see, it's absolutely amazing. The black on black look is nothing new in the watch world, but for some reason when G-Shock do it, it just hits different. The metal case and bezel is finished in a black ion plating, with some surfaces being polished, while others are vertically brushed and others have this circular brushed finish. These different textures ensure that no matter the viewing angle, this watch is going to shine like nothing else. Getting this one on the wrist feels like you're some billionaire supervillain, and quite frankly, I'm all for it. This watch uses both digital and analog timekeeping to its advantage, with two LCD displays at 6 and 12, and a simple two-hand complication, plus a small 60-second sub-dial at 9. All of your standard Casio functions, including world time, timers, alarms, and an LED light are of course included. One thing that actually surprises me about this watch is the weight. With its metal build, you might expect it to be really heavy, but thanks to the resin band and the overall build, it only clocks in at 93 grams. So on the wrist, it's actually really easy to wear. So everyday use of this piece would be simple and hassle-free. Specs aside, let's just talk about how this thing looks. The black on black look is great in my opinion, and depending on what the metal is reflecting, you sort of get anywhere from a silver to a gunmetal gray to full black, and that just really brings out the textures and just looks great in my opinion. Most, if not all, G-Shock watches include some bit of texture, and these metal covered models punch above their weight in finishing quality in my opinion. To be honest, I'm not a massive fan of a big G-Shock, but this one I could probably see myself wearing. I love the black and grey metal look the finishing gives off. It feels very industrial yet sleek and fashionable. This one would go great with a denim jacket, but I also feel like you could rock it in the office with a black shirt. So what do we all think? Are you going to buy this watch? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're really serious about buying it, click the link in the description to shop online at watchdepot.com.au. Make sure to like and subscribe for more future watch content. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.